yan kasi alam kong mali ako. Happy 99.5.
Yeah, wait lang kasi. Alam ko kasi mali ako na. Hindi ko naman din. Hindi naman yung times na, sige ano, gano'n na. Kanina, yun sana kanina. Kung naka-video yun, yun talaga, pusta talaga.
Ito napababa na ito ng P-Wap.
Hindi kumanan ka na.
Wait lang, hindi ko sure eh.
Sure sabay kumanan.
Bagal dito eh. Mami, calling Jessa.
Nandito?
Sa mami.
Hi, ma'am.
Jess, hello.
Saan na po?
SM Santa Mesa.
Ano, keep right lang daw po kayo pag pababa na po ng Quezon Ave, sa pa-exit po ng Quezon Ave. Medyo mahaba na po kasi yung traffic eh.
Okay, paglagpas na itong SM Santa Mesa, keep right na kami.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo, ayan dito rin. Betsy, sa may SM Santa Mesa eh. Nakikita mo ba ako?
Hindi ko po kayo makita. Pero nandito po kami sa mga blue na building. Yung sa right side.
Kondo.
Condo.
Basta right lang po kayo, banda.
Rightmost na po kami.
Okay, oo. Kakalagpas lang namin dyan. Ay, medyo magkalapit lang pala tayo, ma'am. Basta right, keep right lang daw po kayo.
Okay, right side na po kami dito na.
Oo.
Okay, sige.
Yung pababa, may pila. Pag na-miss mo yung Quezon Ave, palintawak na yung next na.
Okay po, sige po. Ito, nasa rightmost na po kami.
Nasa right most na kayo. Kami nasa third lane.
Yun parang nakita ko po kayo.
Palintawak mo.
Aba. Diyan kayo sa may yellow na building.
Yeah.
Ayan na ba? Ayan, papasok na po kayo. Nagre-rightmost na kayo. Sige pa.
Okay.
Okay
Sige.
po.
Bye-bye.
Bye po.
Kita ko mo si Mama Isa.
Oo, talaga. Sabi may sound. That's important to me.
Baka nanto ka?
Hindi naman. Pakilipat nga ng 107.5. Mayroon dyan na.
Ano ka lang sa bubo?
Huwag ako sumagot.
Ano? Sige, sumagot ka!
Siyempre, hindi. Labi sa ating
Nakalak ka ba?
dalawa.
Hindi ka nakalak. Oh my gosh.
Mata nyurik, nakalak ako.
Lock to?
Oo. Oh my gosh. Sige, buksan mo. Sige, buksan mo.
Kasi akala ko pag ganyan kasi naka-open yan sa ibang kotse. Sorry
Lingko,
na.
no?
Saan? Saan?
Ito.
Lincoln yan? Hindi Lincoln yan. Yan yung kotse sa sa GTE.
Amin. Napag-drive kita. Pangarap ko
Yes.
to. Napag-drive kita. Okay na.
Love you, Betsy ko.
Love you.
Before ako umuwi, napag-drive ako ng Betsy ko. Kala ko, ay, ano to, may buha-buhangin to.
Amin, napag-drive kita.
Aray kasi nga ako.
Tagal mo na hindi nagkasingaw, ngayon ka lang ulit nagkasingaw. What happened?
Dalawang araw kasi ako hindi nakapag-toothbrush.
Oh my gosh, Lavi, natiis mo yun.
Lagi, pagod na pagod ako eh.
Is that an excuse? Lavi, alam mo ba? Ako naman, aaminin ko naman na there are nights talaga na hindi ako nakapag-toothbrush. Pero nagigising ako sa itchiness ng gums ko.
Ikaw ba naman kasi halika ni kimchi?
Oo nga, no?
Pero sa labi lang, dito lang naman, no? Hinalik mo.
Halikan, kakakain lang ng poop ni kimchi.
Pag hinalikan ka, wala nang ano yun. Ikaw nga, kahit anong kainin mo, hinahalikan ka.
I'm driving for him.
Yeah!
Kasi
Are you
yung chan.
Are you official that I can call you Matt's fiancé?
Yeah!
Yeah!
Sabi, ganito yung ginagawa mo sa akin. Paano ganyan, di ba?
Iwan ko sa'yo.
Ganyan! Ganyan yan!
Hindi naman kasi tayo naka-manual eh. National Chapel. So, pabalik pa tayo sa office. Oh my gosh. Kasabay tayo ba? Baba na lang kayo sa Jollibee muli, no?
May masasakyan ka pa ba
Oo
doon?
naman, hanggang 12 o'clock nga, nakakaanan ako. Hindi ganito to, ganito ba yan? Ako ba, hindi pa kita. Mas Kuya Kim, ba't ganyan buhok?
Kimchi. Ay, kimchi. Kimchi. Pero ako na mawig.
Uy, tangit na lang. We're the one, babe, for a moment in time, and it seems everlasting that you would always be mine. I wanna be free, though I'm letting you fly, 'cause you know you're all there. Our love will never die, no. You must be part of me, I'm part of you indefinitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. Time can erase the feeling this strong. No, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my loving. I ain't gonna cry, no. Even when you stay, if you tell me to leave, girl, I will not stand in your way. When I leave, you'll be back again. 'Cause you know in my heart, our love will never die, no.
Eh.
I'm part of you, you've always been. Can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be mine. And we'll linger on. Can't rest this feeling this strong. You're never gonna shake me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be mine. I know that you'll be right, girl. When your days and night get a little bit colder. I know that you'll be right. Oh, baby, believe me, it's only a matter of time. You must be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Girl, don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be mine. And we'll linger on. You will always be strong. No, you're never gonna shake me. Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be mine. My baby. You will always be a part of. You will always be. Bakit nag-ano? Oh, God, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And we'll linger on. We'll linger on. Gonna shake me. Yan yung mga bobong mga bobong driver Alam na bigayan
Oh, chill, chill. May
Bobo! Kung Wilson and Jackson, bobo mga aso nyo! Apa bobo!
Hindi ka ba nakakamura ng ganyan sa inyo? Parang bigay na bigay yung mura mo.
Bobo yan! Wilson and Jackson! Lagay pa kayo ng po dyan, pota ina nyo!
Wala, Mika lang discover. Oh, aray!
So many places, so many races, different voices, different choices. Summer night and that was fresh. They were alone with no better half. Summer day but out of curse. Then a big black hearse. And how I bright. Some are blown and some are wasted. Bring with nothing thing. I don't know with the food on their plate. Sometimes where others left. Feel the house down. Some are full, somehow, and somehow po, tang ina nyo. Yak lang. Eh.
Every color, every hue
It's represented by me and you. Take a slide, slow.
Take a look in
Isingit
the
yung kupal na yun.
kaleidoscope, spin around, make it swirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Parang late ng BRV, love you.
Yeah. Parang some tell the truth. Okay na to? Or okay lang sa'yo? Guitar string, sound alone. Down, back of the phone. The others think, minds and think.
While others run.
You can't have peace and have a gun.
Tama yun na, love you.
Ano naman?
Don't ask me why. Some are fools.
Ano ba to? Naging one lane lang? Every color you.
Is represented by me.
Okay, mga ganyan, nakalusot na. Huwag mo na sagit-sugsurin.
The kaleidoscope,
Spin around, make it twirl. Take a look at the
kaleidoscope world. Yung maayos na rin.
kaleidoscope world. Ay. In this kaleidoscope world. Masan yun si Jackson? At saka sino pangalan niya isa?
Wilson.
Wilson Jackson. Si Ryan yan, pre.
Quezon Avenue, keep right.
Grabe talaga yung mga singitan nila dun sa dulo.
Yun talaga na. Parang gusto ko nga din to.
Basta ako na. Oh!
Wala namin!
Hawakan ta!
Oh, dali ka na.
Wait lang. Meron na ba?
Ganda naman ang kanta ngayon ah.
For all the times I can't.
Kailangan mo ng lyrics.
Ano yan? God give you. Jaldin Arden. Kasi yung ano dito?
I repeated the words to blame. I still staring. Lavi, magko-chorus na oh.
Ba't tayo?
Walang data, oh my god.
Not out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. There's so much light, just how I feel, and all that I'm worth, it's right before my eyes. Now that I live for, no, I didn't know why. Now I do. pwede sila sumingit lang sa loob. I myself pity like a fever shirt. All her for every glass that's all half empty. Now it's full to my soul. From every man I'm finally free. And I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. This one's your life, just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right before my eyes. Now that I live for, no, I didn't know why. Now I do.
Labi, don't hawak may kilikili.
God gave me you. In your arms I someone new. Every tender kiss from you. Oh, I must confess, I've been blessed. God gave me you to show me what's real. So much in life than just how I feel. Know that I'm right, it's right before my eyes. Now that I live for, no, I didn't know why. Now I do. God gave me you. Oh, she's really frothy. That's it, mga isa. Ano kanina? Lumipat mo.
Kasi,
Ikaw na nga. So, in panty lang.
Toyota. Catch
Baliw
world-class
yung party ko
motorsports
dati.
thrill at the Toyota Gazoo Racing Festival
Labi,
2023.
can you put it in text just?
Which time is 6:14. This time check is brought to you by Black Mamba Energy Drink with Guarana. Buhay na buhay ka.
Wala naman eh.
Patingin sa
Messenger?
messenger.
Simpleng shampoo lang, kulang up to 50% of hair nourishment ang pwedeng mawala.
Wala naman.
Hi, Val Mariano here. May dream career ka ba? Kahit ano pa yan, push mo lang. Kung sa kusina ang passion mo, let the world taste how sweet life can be.
How sweet. Eh, buti na lang love, hindi ako nagdala ng kotse.
Inspire ng
Go.
buong team.
Buti hindi ako nagdala ng kotse. Love. May balak pa naman ako
Kaya
magdala.
mag-spread ng
Pwede rin naman eh. Ano lang, malayo.
Pursue your passion and let your sweetness
Alam mo ba kahapon,
Hi, sweetie.
pagbalik namin,
This is Bel
ano eh,
Mariano, encouraging you to spread kindness and positivity by letting your sweetness shine with Juicy Cologne. Toyota is inviting you to its biggest
Ayaw.
and greatest gathering of all day.
Saan po dito?
Join the Toyota Gazoo
ayaw lang.
2023
Baka,
at get in with Prince Dan in Manila.
Magkano na lang po load na to, sir? Okay, thank you.
Admission is free. Register now at ToyotaGeoFestivalPH.com. See you at the Toyota Gazoo Racing
alam mo ba kahapon, buwi namin, flat yung kotse. Yung malaking nail,
Ha? Saan?
ano yung nail na.
Saang gulong?
Sa kalikot, sa kanan, likod.
Saan nyo na napansin na flat?
Sa bahay. Si mami nakapansin.
Anong wish mo? Wish
Ano?
175.
Ngayon magandang regalo ko padala kay Mark.
Marky? Oo nga, lovely. Maris ka pala. Pwede mo ba ni Marky? Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Ano naman yung tawag dito?
Nakapag-celebrate.
Kahapon.
Sino yata to?
Ha?
Anong plate number nila?
MDF.
Tingnan mo nga.
Germany will
Ako sila ma'am nakangiti. Kita ko agad yung ngiti ni Mama Isa eh.
ease and tensions between Manila
Ganunan pa kayo.
Ayun ko ako sila.
Ganon ka pala, oh.
Pumina pa ako.
Ha?
Pininahan ko pa sila pala yun.
Binasinahan mo?
Pininahan.
Ano pininahan? Magod ka, saan dito? Unahan mo pa sila. Binitgit mo eh. Wala ka dyan, layo ko dyan ha. Buga ka. Paano mo nalaman na pick up kasi? Nakita mo pick up.
Inantay ata.
Hindi, nauna sa...
Hindi, I mean, baka inantay nila tayo. Binagalan nila like that.
News update only here on Wish 107.5.
107.5.